Today we're going to configure your Homelink garage door opening system in your new Macan Electric. Whenever you configure your Homelink garage door opening system in your new Macan Electric, make sure the vehicle is in park. To begin the process, we'll find the Homelink button and select it, and then you'll choose a button to configure here on the mirror. We're going to start with button 1 here. You're going to take your garage door opener and hold it up to the mirror and hold down the button. Outstanding. Configuration of the remote has been successfully completed. So now we're going to synchronize. All right, now hop out and program the door. Okay, so we're here in the garage with our garage door unit. Now you may have a unit on the wall here, but you may need to program on the actual garage door opener unit. Make sure you check out your instruction manual for those instructions. Now here, we're going to select Menu. We're going to go down to Program, select Enter, and we're going to go down to Remote. Now it may say Learn, it may say Program, it may say a wide variety of different things. For this, we're going to select Enter. Now I've got 30 seconds to get to the vehicle to synchronize the two. Okay, we're going to give this a try, and you do so by holding down the button for a quick push and then a second long push. And it didn't work that first time. This is totally fine. May have to do it multiple times. It may work the first time. Let's try that again. We're going to select Next and say, no, we need to retry. Here we go. I'm going to press it once and then a second time, and then there we go. It worked that time. Perfect. So now you're going to select Next, and then Yes and Continue. The garage door did move. Your remote control has been successfully synchronized. We're going to select Finish. Now a second way to program your Homelink garage door opening system in your new Macan Electric is you just hold down another button for a couple of seconds and you'll see this pop up. You'll select Configure and you'll be right back in the process for another button on your mirror. You now have configured Homelink in your new Macan Electric.